So just finishing up this FP7 project. This is I believe it's a Atlas Kato drive. It had a Kato light board here, which I used just pieces of it just to give me a bit of a mounting surface off the motor. I used a double-sided piece of tape, foam tape, for this other light board I had. So I just, it's a quick plug, DCC ready light board. So I just plugged in the decoder, wired up the rear truck, wired up the front trucks, and then I strung in my headlight. You can see here my headlight. And then I also did a reverse lights. So the rear reverse lights, they're actually red on the front. So I did use 2 surface mount LEDs for the front, and then I wired that in to the rear light output. So when I hit reverse, the red lights come on the front. So everything is in there neat, gluing. Yeah, fun project. Okay, let's see it going. So here's the finished locomotive. You can see the headlight operational here. Let's turn it on and off to show you. Nice and bright. And then I installed class lights on the front. There they are there. So in reverse, those red lights go on, just like the prototype. So a few more things to do. Probably just tweak the decoder a little bit and improve the motor performance. And I have to assemble a coupler for on the front. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.